the second video in my series, I wanted to film my setup, how I film videos, and what equipment I use. As I mentioned in the other video, I have this single halo light to film frontal. I have a chair that I sit in and a really inexpensive tapestry that I purchased on Amazon. Now I just wanted to do a quick clip having the wide angle lens. It's giving me a lot more picture. I feel like I can get the whole setup. I have this tripod that sits here in the corner so that you're able to get a look at how I film. I even have this selfie stick that I've been using for filming as well. And it's really come in handy because as long as you have a 1/4 inch, you're able to put on any attachments on here. I can quickly take this off. And I just took it off of this selfie stick because I have been using this other one off of the Memory website, but I only have one, so obviously I can't put it on both. It's important to experiment, try filming in different areas of your home. My husband has been a huge support throughout this process. We like to bounce ideas off of one another. He helps me when I'm filming to make sure that my whole body is in the shot, and definitely just encourages me to build up my confidence and just have fun with the process.